Hello friends, welcome to ManiYouTubeTipsEnglish. Today I will give you an important message to all the students from 6th standard to 12th standard and who are planning to write the JEE and NEET exam in the upcoming years. So stay tuned till the end of the video so you cannot miss any informations which I will tell in this video. If you're planning to write these exams, you can study in the online with free of cost, but you must do one simple thing. If you have a smart device like phone and laptop and other devices, you can install the Vedantu app at your device so you can learn all the classes from the uh, experts in India's best teachers are conducting the classes in online. You can see all the classes with free of cost. So you can open the Play Store and type Vedantu. Vedantu live class, live learning app from 1 to 12 and JEE NEET exam. You can install these app. I have already installed this app in my device. So directly I will move on to the app section. Dear students, this app is a very amazing app. You can do when you installing these sections. You can continue with your mobile number. So I am logging using my phone number. You can learn anything anywhere by using your smart device. Say for example, you can write your name here and select the grade. If say for example I'm selecting 12th and CBSE, select target exam NEET and start learning. It's a very simple process, but you must have one smart device to learn these exams. You can register in the online if you like any experts who are conducting the class in the Vedantu app. Dear students, you can utilize this good opportunity. Don't miss it. I personally felt that it's a very good app to learn and to study the exams at your home. See here different um, uh, classes are being conducted by different experts in live classes. So if you want to um, learn and study these exams in the online, you can register here. They have mentioned the time and class and the experts from the various parts of the India. So they are conducting this exams: chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, etc. So don't miss it. These a good opportunity so you can able to achieve your goal by using these app. I believe that is a very useful app to learn from your home. Thank you so much, students, for watching my videos.